Hello everyone. I'm going to answer a question that I see coming through quite often. I'm going to read it off the screen here. Which combination of factors would result in the lowest monthly mortgage payment? I might write an article about it, and if so, you'll see it in the description of this video. I'm going to list the various things that impact your monthly mortgage payment, and I'm going to put them in order of impact, meaning the first thing I'm going to tell you is going to have the greatest impact on your mortgage payment. Okay, so the first thing that will impact your payment the most is the loan amount. Obviously, the larger the loan amount, the higher your monthly mortgage payment's going to be. So that's the first thing. I know a lot of people don't want to put a lot of money down because they don't want to drain their savings, but then they're worried about the mortgage payment, and the payment is directly driven by the loan amount. There are other ways to get the payment down, which we can cover off in another video, but loan amount is the number one. Number two would be the interest rate. The lower the interest rate, the lower the payment will be, and also the more you can afford. And in recent times, we've watched interest rates go from 3% up to 6 or 7%, and now a lot of people that have been pre-approved in the past no longer can qualify for the home in the price range that they've been shopping in because the rate just went up, which drove the monthly payment up, which drove their DTI up, etc. So interest rate is another big factor. It's the number two. The third thing that impacts your mortgage payment would be your property taxes. Property taxes are another big thing. You could essentially shop in two different towns that are right next to each other, and you can afford more home or more expensive home in the town next door just because maybe the taxes in that town are lower. So when you're doing your home shopping, you're probably looking at areas where you like to live. Maybe it's a commutable distance to your job. You're looking at school systems and all these other things. But taxes also should be something that you look at because that's going to impact how much you could qualify for. But in this case, it will also impact your monthly mortgage payment. So the fourth thing is HOA. So if you are buying a condo or a townhome, or if you're buying a home in a community that has an HOA, the cost of the HOA will absolutely impact your mortgage payment. I've seen HOA fees as low as $50, and I've seen HOA fees in some expensive areas as high as $1,500 a month. You know, of course, these are areas that are expensive homes with golf communities and all those other different things, but the HOA can be significant. I think I remember after the market crash back in 2008, there was a condo for sale in Florida. The asking price was only about $20,000, but the HOA was $600 a month. So it was a huge fee. And the last thing that impacts your monthly mortgage payment would be homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance, you can shop for that, and that's one of the things that you can control a little bit. But you know, for example, if your homeowners insurance is $1,200 a year, $100 per month will be added to your mortgage payment to cover the homeowners insurance. So hopefully that answered your question. If you're trying to stay within a certain payment amount, we can help you to figure that out. We can help you to let you know, okay, if you want to stay within a certain payment amount, here's likely your price range for the home. If you want to get pre-qualified that way, just follow the link down below in the first pinned comment and also in the description, and we'll help you there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.